Sunday morning, way to hold my head, it didn't hurt. I had for breakfast was bad, so I had one more for dessert. I brought in my closet, rose and found my cleanest dirty shirt. I washed my face and combed my hair down the stairs to meet day. My mind the night before with cigarettes and songs that I was picking. Let my first, and that's the small kid run with again. He was kicking. Across the street, caught the Sunday smell of someone frying chicken. It took me back to something I lost somewhere, somehow, along the way. On the Sunday morning sidewalk, I'm wishing, Lord, that I was stoned. But there's something in the Sunday that makes the body feel alone. And there's nothing short of dying that's half as lonesome as the sound of the sleeping city sidewalk and Sunday morning coming down. At the park, I saw a daddy with a laughing little girl that he was swinging. I put aside the Sunday school and listened to the songs that they were singing. Headed down the street, somewhere far away, a lonely bell was ringing. And it echoed through the canyon, a disappearing ringing of yesterday. On a Sunday morning sidewalk, I'm wishing, Lord, that I was stoned. 'Cause there's something in a Sunday that makes the body feel alone. And there's nothing short of dying as half as lonesome as the sound of the sun and the morning coming down. All the sleeping city side walk and Sunday morning coming down. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Wolf Ham Shack here in Northern California. I decided to record a song this time in this episode, and I thought to myself I would do something kind of fun for everyone out there that watches YouTube and watches videos from time to time. I recorded a song because I enjoyed the artist that I sang the song from, and the artist that I sang the song from was Randy Travis. I enjoyed listening to Randy Travis. I grew up listening to his music. His music inspired me. I enjoyed the music that he's recorded over the years, and when he recorded this album, I was very happy to be able to come along and record it on one of my episodes of the Wolf Ham Shack. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now I'd like to get into the content that I said was going to be as the episode. This episode is going to be all about CBs and all about my good friend the Frog. Well, the Frogman. Well, as you know, the Frogman, his first name is Bill. That's all I'm going to say. He repairs radios and does a good job at what he does. He repairs the radios quite well, and I'm real happy that I am able to know the guy as the Frogman. Well, the Frogman, you keep it going there, Frogman. I'm happy you make them radios walk the doggy and kick the cat and make them loud and proud and walk the dog while you're doing it. Alright, now I'd like to get into the content of the Wolf Channel. The Wolf Channel is 27845 on the upper 40, just above regular 40, on channel 39. Channel 39 is the lower upper band of the regular 40. It's just above the regular 40 on E on my S9. So we go up on E on 39, and we enjoy ourselves talking on 39 upper sideband. And the Wolf has changed our check-in list to Friday night for Friday night check-in. Friday night check-in is a great thing to do. Well, Friday night check-in. Well, we changed it just last week to Friday night check-in because we could not get any check-ins at all on Sunday night. So Burger King went into work one day and he found out that he was going to be changing his hours. So we moved our check-in to Friday night, where this Friday I will be the host of the Wolf check-in, and so will Burger King, and so will Carl's Jr. Well, Carl's Jr. and I, we chat from time to time. Well, Burger King and I chat every Friday and Saturday night. Every Friday and Saturday night, we do that quite well when we do. So, we get it done, and we get it right every time. So, ladies and gentlemen, with that said, the Wolf Channel is a success. We hope to get more check-ins every Friday night from 8 to midnight. I will be out there from between 8:30 and midnight. I will be out there, and we'll be doing check-ins and so on and so forth. So that concludes the part of the program where we talk about the Wolf Channel. So, the Wolf Channel is a success, and I'm glad that it is a success. So, let's get into some other content. There are other frequencies that I talk on that I'm real happy to be able to talk on. Well, I talk on 26.955 as well from time to time to some friends. Well, then there's two other guys that I told you about in the previous programs that are not very nice to people, so let's leave that at that. Okay, let's move on to some nicer and funner things. Well, I just recently got myself an iPhone 3. Well, I found out just recently I can get my hands on an i4S here in a few days, and I will be getting that. The iPhone 4S is going to make it a lot easier for me. I will be able to vocally be able to tell the phone the words that I want to say in my text from my text messaging, and it would be able to tell me what my text says when they get received to my iPhone 4S. So, with that said, I'm very proud to be able to become the proud owner of an iPhone 4S. So, let's move on to the next thing. The next thing I'd like to talk to you about is I would like to tell you all out there that I have a new sweetie now, and I will have her on one of the episodes sooner or later. And that sweetie is someone that I've been friends with for quite a long time, and I've known her brother for a long time. Nicole and I are starting to talk again. We're hanging out at circles and chatting. We chat on Facebook. We chat on our phone, back and forth to each other. We also chat by mail, which is a email anyway. We email each other from time to time. But mostly we see each other during friendship circles or events like that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now I'd like to tell you a little something else that's going on. I've been enjoying myself still with the Beyond Inclusion program. The Beyond Inclusion program, I'm enjoying myself doing that and having fun and enjoying doing all kinds of different things with Beyond Inclusion. Well, Beyond Inclusion is an awesome program. We're going to grow. The program's going to get bigger. And we just recently got a new vehicle for the Beyond Inclusion program, a Honda Pilot. So now we're expanding more and more people are coming along. So that's what I wanted to tell you about the Beyond Inclusion program this time. The Friendship Circle program I'd like to tell you a little more about, because the Friendship Circle program, we go do things out in the community, having fun, and so on and so forth. Now, another thing I'd like to tell you is a bunch of other fun things. Well, let's do this. Let's just say that I've been enjoying myself in my own home and being able to chat with friends that I can chat with and have fun talking to them. Well, I see my sisters every once in a while. That's kind of fun too. My sisters and I chat, and we're very proud to go to see each other from time to time. I still go see Mom and my stepdad, and we have fun doing things. So, anyway, that's what I wanted to talk about in this episode. One more thing I'd like to talk to you about, which is going to take a little portion here. Please remember the operator of conduct for the CB bands. Please do not ignore the code of conduct for the CB or ham. Please respect that. Okay. Now, I wanted to tell you, if anyone that comes out there and pulls up this video tonight, and that is a CB operator, and you hear me out there at some point, which is little D 424, otherwise what I wanted to ask out there. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about one more thing that I wanted to talk about. I wanted to tell you that it's fun to do it. I enjoy doing these videos weekly and releasing them one per week. I'm happy about it. Well, this episode I chose to add some music to it, and so I did. So I added some good country music by Randy Travis. That was an extra bonus of this episode. So I said to myself, you know what, I'm gonna do it. So here's my final word for this program. All of you out there, please check out 27845 The Wolf Friday evening between 8 and midnight for the Wolf Channel check-in. Okay. Alright, everybody, you all take care out there, and you all have a fine evening from this fine program of the Wolf Ham Shack on 27845 The Wolf. You all take care out there, and 7-3's to all from the Wolf Ham Shack.
Well, I woke up Sunday morning, 8 in the morning.